Why does the supplement market continue to grow each year? Because good people are sharing the good news. Nutritional supplements work. They can transform lives, improve performance, and help people feel better. But all supplements are not created equal. In fact, how companies create their supplements is often a mystery. Did you know that most companies don't manufacture their own products? More than 85% of the brands available today are just, brands. With no quality assurance systems, no manufacturing oversight, and very little control of the products they sell. Synergy is different. We proudly manufacture our nutritional solutions. We control the ingredients, the formulas, the process, and the quality. As a Nature's Sunshine company, we own and operate our own manufacturing facility, housing impressive custom machinery, expert staff, and scientific laboratories for ingredient and quality testing. We're proud to say that our facility continuously impresses visitors from around the world. We've even been awarded several prestigious certifications from independent organizations. NSF certification for establishing strict safety and quality standards. International GMP certification for constant adherence to good manufacturing practices. ISO 9001 certification for meeting the strictest criteria of quality manufacturing management. ISO 17025 for precision and excellence in laboratory testing. TGA certification from the renowned Australian Therapeutic Goods Administration. Our facility is even certified USDA organic, which validates that we always protect our products from potential contamination. Ours is one of the select few facilities in the world to have earned this important collection of approvals. We are always ready to show how well we put together our products. Perhaps this explains why Forbes magazine named us one of America's most trustworthy companies. For nearly 50 years, Nature's Sunshine has been manufacturing dependable, effective nutritional supplements. In fact, we've made history as the first major company to encapsulate herbs. And we don't just manufacture. You should know that we test every supplement we sell for safety and efficacy. Along with Nature's Sunshine, Synergy has chosen to build our reputation on quality. We hope you will choose to seek elite health and to find the best version of yourself. With Synergy, you have made the right choice.